Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to easily bookmark your favorite websites on iPhone using Safari. Whether it's recipes, articles, or shopping sites, bookmarking them will help you access them quickly. Step 1. Open Safari and navigate to the website. Launch the Safari app on your iPhone. Visit the website you want to bookmark. Step 2. Add bookmarks. Tap the share icon, looks like a box with an up arrow, at the bottom of the page. Select Add Bookmark from the menu. Optionally, customize the bookmark's title if needed. Step 3. Access your bookmarks. To see your bookmarks later, tap the bookmarks icon. Looks like an open book. At the bottom, organize your bookmarks by creating folders or moving them around. Bookmarking will help you access your favorite websites more easily, helping you save more time when visiting. Today your favorite website may be at the top of the table, the next day it may not be. Is another page with a similar topic, so you need to put your website in your bookmarks for quick and easy access without having to browse. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tech tips videos.